Hi guys and welcome to another week vlog. This is week number 3 and today is Monday. I have literally just finished recording this makeup video which will be out this Tuesday, if that makes sense. I honestly do not know what I'm going to be doing today, but hopefully I will show you. I still need to eat. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, 1:30, 2:30 in the afternoon, and I still need to eat. I am somewhat hungry. I'm not gonna lie. You remember how all of this was nice and tidy? Yeah, about that. It's not so tidy, huh? I did warn you last week that when I do makeup videos, it gets hella messy, ridiculously messy. It's like a bomb has hit it, safe to say. Just a typical Monday. Although, I may watch Netflix. You're the biggest fuss monster ever. You are. Yes, you are. But you're so cute. Yes, you are. Lunch is served. 4 bits of garlic bread. My 4 cheese tortellini with a little bit of grated mature cheese. We have light. We can see what she's doing. What are you doing, Squeakies? What are you doing? In my wardrobe? Oh dear Lord. This wardrobe is normally the wardrobe that she'll just hang out in if my wardrobe door is ever open, and it's one of those days where I'm just sorting out my like scarves and shoes and hats and stuff, and she's in the wardrobe. I have friends all in the background if you can hear that. Yeah, we have a lot of names for her. I don't know why. It's just her actual name is Harriet, but we've never called her Harriet. It's always like Fluffy or Fluffingtons or Squeakies, or it's anything but Harriet, and that's what we call her. FYI, we kind of rescued her. It wasn't like we called her Harriet, because I wouldn't have called her that. I would have called her Fluffy at 10 years old. She's back in the wardrobe. She's back in my fucking wardrobe. Squeakies! I see you! Hiding under my fucking jeans. It's Kibble, the investigating cat. I don't know where I'm going with this. But the shoe pile is forever growing. This one not so much. But this one is definitely Kilimanjaro of shoes right now. And I think my cat, yeah, she's living life right now. You can just tell. Hello. So it's a little bit later on in the day. It's now 10:30. Air freshener once again. It's about 10:30 now. My makeup's still going strong. This eyeliner that I've been testing out today, still looking good, still looking good. It hasn't budged or smudged. It's like so intensely pigmented, it's insane. But yeah, it's 10:30 now. Honestly, I had my lunch and then did fuck all with my life, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a bit of a weird day because our power's been going out quite a lot recently. In the last half hour or so it's gone off. Well, I say it's gone off, it's flickered twice now. So I'm such a millennial, I'm literally charging my phone, my cameras, my laptop, anything that needs charging to get me through the night on the off chance we have a power cut. I'm preparing myself for the worst, but because I'm such a millennial and I can't live without my phones and stuff. To be fair, I can live without my phone, but my anxiety tells me no. If anything else happens with this power cut situation, then I might vlog, but other than that, I will be signing out for tonight. And we'll see what happens in the morning. Yeah, I need to get out more. Morning guys, today is Tuesday. Last night we never had a power cut. We just ended up having a couple of power surges and that was about it. There was nothing more else to it, so there was nothing really else to vlog because low-key I was waiting for the power to go off while I was watching Friends, so there was nothing really happening. But today's Tuesday, I think I've already said that actually, and it's just gone at 12 o'clock, so I'm just making myself a quick brunch. I woke up kind of late today because I kind of fell asleep kind of late as well. So yeah, I've just got out of the shower. I'm gonna make myself some brunch now. Dun dun dun! What? What is it, Bubba? So I've just used one of these moisture sheet masks from Garnier, and this is literally the leftover. Yeah, so I've just been laying with that on my face for about 15 minutes and my skin feels so good. Honestly, I really do like these. I've bought another 5. No, they're gonna drop. Yeah, I've bought like another 5 of these. These are so good and really inexpensive. I think they're about £3 each. I've got about 5 here, so do the maths. Just, yeah, I like my sheet masks quite a lot. As you could probably tell, I like my face masks probably a little bit too much. But yeah, I've just been laying around for about 15-20 minutes with that on my face, watching Friends. And that's literally all I've been doing so far today. There's not really a lot going on. My video's been uploaded. That went up at 1. My cat is in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but my cat's in the background eating. Because that's all she does. That's all we ever do in this house is eat. And yeah, I don't really know what else is happening. So it's a new dawn, new day, and it's now Wednesday. Yesterday I just didn't vlog anything because I was in bed all day. I think my mum has like the flu or something, and she's been so kind to give it to me. So I was feeling a little bit rough yesterday afternoon, and today I probably won't be vlogging much either because, well, we have a food shop coming and I have to do a few other things around the house. So I don't know what I'm going to be able to vlog today. If I'm actually going to be able to vlog or not, I do not know. But if I can, I will, obviously. If I can't, then I can't. So, like I said, there wasn't much that I was going to be able to film. It's now like 4 or 5 hours later, to the point that the sun is setting right now. So I am now just in bed. I'm freezing. Like, honestly, freezing. I'm not really surprised I'm in like a strappy top. But I'm honestly so cold. So I'm just tucking into bed and watching Friends, which is probably all I'm going to do for the rest of the night, as you probably know, because I love my Friends. It's honestly the best TV series ever. I think that's everything. I think that's everything that I'm going to be doing today or for the rest of the day. So probably won't vlog because I am the worst weekly vlogger. Yeah, if there's an award going for the worst vlogger, whether that's daily or weekly, sign me up. Nominate me because I'm obviously the worst kind of vlogger going. Honestly, the worst. But this is just my everyday life. There's not really a lot going on. I've had to change arms because this one is like now dead from holding you guys up. But yeah, my life isn't that exciting, honestly. Some weeks are going to be boring, some are not. Things are going to happen and sometimes things are not going to happen, but we will get through this. We will get through this together. But I just want to say quickly now, before I sign off for the evening, if you guys have any makeup tutorial suggestions, or if you have any questions for a Q&A, or any suggestions on videos that you would like me to do, then please comment them down below, because I want to have you guys suggesting things to me a lot more, and I want to have you like involved in the growth of this channel. So yes, if you have any tutorials, suggestions, anything that you would like to see on my channel, let me know. But I think that's gonna be everything for tonight. I have to like hold my arm up with my other arm because my arms are killing me. Oh, why am I so unfit? But yeah, I'm probably relatable in that sense because I'm fat. But yeah, I'm going to sign off for tonight, and I will see you in the morning. Probably bright and early because it's going to be another busy day. So
Yeah.